So this is the beauty here. If it's not raining, super nice. This is our hotel. That one. Look at that, my goodness. I mean, yeah, it's given. It's nice because it's morning, but the bonus point is we are facing the very beautiful mountain. That's very amazing. And I can't really believe, like, you know, there's a beauty like this in a very small town of Adelboden, Switzerland. Super beautiful. And now we're heading to ride the, I don't know what kind of, oh, what's the name of that cable car? I can't pronounce. Look, and this is the, okay, so this one here. Okay. Oh, another cable car, guys.
This time it's a miniature cable.
Wala raga po mignaas Connecticut.
Take at your own risk.
The sweater. My God. It's very sunny, but it's cold. I don't know what's the name of this place. What's this here? Shin Chan Chan Chan? Kamu na basa, guys. Kaya ko ka... Dili, uy!
Regular time.
Ay na lagi pagtahong kaya Can you imagine that? How amazing it is. Like yung bundok, guys, talagang as in amazed na amazed talaga ako because I really can't, you know, imagine. Mo na siya sakto nga word. As in. Di ginako siya ma-imagine, guys, nga nako diri tunga-tunga sa bukid niya na din bukid ni nga na pud. Magyun sa gini nila oh. Kanoy sige kayo. My God, thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord, for everything, Lord. Look at that. What stone?
There are the
Granite?
blue stones and granite stones.
Oh, wow. Nice kay mong background, mahal.
Nice stones for the wall.
Look at that. What's that?
Blue stones.
Imagine na ano, nakastok-tok, no? Nawa ka nag-imagine ba nga naabot ka diri nya ang imong gistayhan nara dito ay. Nara dito sa ubos. That's the place where we came from. Down there.
Buan man na sa weeds.
Weeds. Unya sa ilaha kay kuan na mahal flowers na na. Sa ilang bukid kay these are flowers already, guys. Oh my god. But it's beautiful to see though. Naalagi?
Ako na pag-slow mo. Dali. Amay yung slow na.